Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Dear brothers and sisters, let me ask you this question. Who is in control of your life right now? Is it your flesh, or is it the Spirit of the Lord that lives in you? I want you to think of a light switch. If it is turned off, this room will be full of darkness. But if it is turned on, the light will fill the whole place. In the same way, if we allow our flesh to control our life, there will be darkness and emptiness. But if you allow the Spirit to control your life, there will be life, there will be peace. You see, as I have read in Romans 8 verse 6, it is said, "So letting your sinful nature control your mind will lead to death. But letting your spirit control your mind will lead to life and peace." Here's the point. Every day we choose which switch to turn on. Will it be the flesh or the light of the Spirit? Remember this, every day is a battle. But if we choose the Spirit, we have already won that battle. Hope this helps, and thank you for joining me today. To God be the glory.